going to go through this home, but first we have some questions about how to buy property in Costa Rica. But before we do that, welcome to Behind the Scenes with Spyglass Realty with Ryan Rodenbeck and Matt Edwards.
So here we are in Horizontes del Mar. It's a 20-unit complex right on the Langosta beach, and we're in a 2-story, 2,200 square foot, 3-bed, 3.5 bath penthouse.
Okay.
So here's our terrace. If you want to walk straight out, maybe you can catch the pool down below. It's a really nice infinity pool where you can watch the sunset, which we get every day. Shoot that right down there.
Sweet, yeah.
So you got a beach gate down there and a nice lawn.
Wow.
And you're looking at 4 surf breaks from here. It's definitely a surfer's paradise. Then this opens up to cathedral ceilings. Kitchen straight ahead, and one of the suites is at the ground level. 2 beds. You can sleep 7 people in here comfortably in the apartment, and you know, views from everywhere.
Yeah, this is super nice right here.
So walk-through closet, double sinks. Cruise right into the kitchen. Didn't cut any corners in the kitchen. It's definitely fully functional for anyone that wants to cook a meal for 6. There's plenty of counter space. Nice cabinetry, local hardwoods, and typical granite countertops.
Nice and open feel. So we have another bedroom right here. Yep. Okay.
Another bedroom, full bath, lots of closet space. Nice elevated ceilings, and here you have central air that's relatively inexpensive, and your utility bills will probably run $300, $400 if you're renting it out all the time.
What about your HOA?
Your HOA in a unit like this is about $525.
Okay.
Which covers, you know, the security guard, all the common area maintenance, gardening, and so forth. So this is your master, and it's got its own very big private terrace, which is sort of the icing on the cake up here. And you're looking due west, sunset, right in front of us all year. Right now we're getting a rain front in front of us. But this is whale watching territory.
Oh wow. And by the way, you know, this is the rainy season, which is about the most perfect weather coming from 110 degrees in Austin. It's like, you know, it's cooler in the morning, gets really hot in the afternoon, rains for anywhere from 30 minutes to an hour and a half, and then it's perfect like this again.
And then we get sunset.
It's awesome. What does this place go for?
A place like this is about $725.
Okay, and then what do you think it would, you know, I know not exactly, but what would it rent for per night?
Sure, $340 a night is what this penthouse will rent for, and owners, there's 5 of them up here. So the owners that really work at it can gross upwards of $100,000 to $130,000–$140,000 a year, and they're going to net somewhere around the 7% cap rate.
Okay.
It's been higher, but that's an average.
Okay.
Someone that's trying to rent it aggressively on a VRBO, FlipKey, HomeAway page.
Gotcha, gotcha. And then you guys handle management if somebody wants that themselves, right?
Sure. We have a large company with 75 employees. We manage 175 homes here, and we manage this entire complex. And you'll have a full-time maid, and obviously the full-time staff for the common areas and so forth.
Okay.
So your place is clean, your laundry's folded, everything is taken care of. It's part of your fee. Okay.
Well, as I said, you're probably watching this on YouTube. Check the link below, and you can see this listing. You can get in touch with us about, you know, future opportunities, and subscribe and hit the like button. If you have questions for me or Locke, you can put them below, and we will answer them promptly. Thanks a lot.
Cheers.